The feed water from the outlet of the HP heater enters the Economizer inlet header and flows to the Economizer outlet header. The Economizer consists of the primary and secondary economizers, which are located in the HRA. Primary economizer consists of bare tubes. Secondary economizer consists of bare tubes. The flue gas flows across the economizer tubes in a direction opposite to the water flow. The boiler furnace is enclosed by the front, rear, and both side water walls and has the radiant platen superheaters in the upper furnace portion. The lower furnace path has a construction of the helical tube wall. The helical tube wall is introduced in the high heat flux zone around the burner. This zone shall have the two-phase flow, mixture of water and steam, at subcritical pressure operation during startup and low load in the variable pressure operation. The upper furnace path has a construction of the vertical tubes in consideration of a state of relatively low heat absorption. The separator and separator drain tank separate the water-steam mixture into saturated steam and saturated water during the startup. The separator is of the cyclone type and is provided with 4 inlet connecting pipes in tangential and downward direction installed on the separator body. The superheaters consist of the radiant superheater and the convection superheater. The radiant superheaters consist of the secondary superheater and furnace roof wall. The convection superheaters consist of HRA walls, primary superheater, and final superheater. The primary superheater is located in the rear path of the HRA section. The primary superheater consists of the horizontal loop elements arranged across the boiler's width, the inlet and the outlet headers. The primary superheater is connected to the secondary superheater by the connecting pipe. The secondary superheater is a platen pendant type. Steam flows down through the outer loops of each panel, and then up through each panel's inside loops. The secondary superheater is connected to the final superheater by the connecting pipes. The final superheater consists of vertical elements suspended from the roof and arranged across the furnace's width. The final superheater consists of the inlet and the outlet headers. The steam discharging from the HP turbine enters the reheater inlet header located at the bottom of the RH gas path. The reheater is located in the RH gas path of the HRA section. The reheater consists of the horizontal tubes at the inlet lower section and the vertical tubes at outlet upper section. It flows upward in the horizontal tubes as a counterflow to the flue gas and flows in the vertical tubes as a counterflow to the flue gas. The hot reheat steam is led to the LP turbine through the hot reheat pipe from the reheater outlet header. The burners are arranged both in the front and the rear wall, which is called an opposed firing system. The boiler is equipped with a total of 25 DF burner, 5 burners per row. The type of burner arrangement is opposed arrangement, 3 rows on boiler front wall and 2 rows on boiler rear wall. In the pulverizer, the coal is dried, pulverized and classified. The boiler is provided with 5-ring roller vertical spindle pulverizers. The type of pulverized fuel burner is an I-high dual flow type low NOx burner. Raw coal is supplied to the boiler units via belt conveyors to the coal bunkers. Each pulverizer fed raw coal from 1 coal bunker and 1 coal feeder. The damper consists of several numbers of blades, shafts, bearings, linkages, and kinds of drives assembled in a steel frame. Air preheater is provided for reducing the flue gas temperature to recover the heat energy of the flue gas at the boiler outlet and to raise the primary air temperature to dry up the moisture in the coal and raise the secondary air temperature. 2 forced draft fans with 50% capacity are provided to the secondary air system. The secondary air system provides hot air for combustion to the furnace. The primary air fans with 50% capacity are applied to the primary air system. From the discharge of primary air fans, the air flows through air preheater and into pulverizers. Primary air delivers the pulverized coal through the coal piping to the furnace. Separate duct system for secondary air duct is adopted to assure adequate combustion conditions. The boiler soot blowing system is for removing adhered ash or deposited ash on the heating surfaces of superheater, reheater, or economizer, maintaining thermal efficiency and preventing an increase in draft loss. The water soot blowing system is to maintain thermal efficiency by removing slagging on the furnace wall.